Before you begin, remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, the power button board assembly, the fan assembly, and the heatsink. Remove the plastic webcam cover, the cable pocket, the RFID module, and the optical drive. Separate the base pan assembly from the middle frame and panel assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, push down on the plastic tabs which connect the fingerprint reader to the LCD panel assembly. Using minimal force, push the fingerprint reader out from underneath the LCD panel assembly to remove the fingerprint reader. Replacement. Place the panel middle frame assembly face up on the work surface. Using minimal force, place the fingerprint reader onto its socket on the LCD panel assembly and push down so that the plastic tabs secure the fingerprint reader.